Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight is on an incredibly useful accessory for anyone involved in audio, the XLR Adapter 4-pack. This isn't just a simple set of connectors. It's a comprehensive solution designed to tackle common connectivity challenges in any audio setup, whether it's a professional studio, a live stage, or a home recording environment. What immediately stands out about these XLR adapters is their professional-grade construction. Each adapter, whether it's the male-to-male or female-to-female variant, boasts a compact design encased in a sturdy die-cast shell. The housing is crafted from high-strength zinc alloy with nickel plating, which not only gives them an attractive, durable finish, but also ensures they can withstand the rigors of frequent use. These aren't flimsy plastic pieces. They are solid, metal-shielded connectors that inspire confidence. A key feature is the positive locking mechanism, ensuring a secure and stable connection every time, preventing accidental disconnections during critical moments. The versatility of this 8-pack is truly impressive. It includes 4 XLR 3-pin male-to-male adapters and 4 XLR 3-pin female-to-female couplers. This thoughtful combination means one is always prepared, whether needing to convert an XLR female input into a male output or vice versa. This makes them widely compatible with a vast array of audio devices, including microphones, mixers, DMA controllers, amplifiers, speakers, effectors, and equalizers. Essentially, if it uses an XLR connection, these adapters are likely to be a perfect fit for extending cables or changing gender. One of the most appealing aspects is the plug-and-play simplicity. There's no need for special tools, complex settings, or software. Users simply connect them, and they work. This ease of use is invaluable, especially in fast-paced environments. Furthermore, these adapters are engineered with protective shielding. This crucial feature works to prevent unwanted noise from radio frequency, RF, and electromagnetic interference, EMI, ensuring that the audio signal remains clean and clear, free from common electrical disturbances. This attention to signal integrity is paramount for high-quality sound reproduction. The convenience of having an 8-pack cannot be overstated. With 4 pairs of each type, users will find themselves well-equipped for various scenarios, and the slim profile makes them ideal for travel, fitting easily into any gear bag. It's always beneficial to have backups, and this pack provides just that, offering great value and peace of mind. For anyone looking to streamline their audio connections, extend existing XLR cables, or simply have reliable gender changers on hand, this XLR Adapter 4-pack presents itself as an indispensable tool. It's a robust, reliable, and highly practical solution for maintaining seamless audio connectivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.